Muir Bell members. It is one of the hottest days of the summer and I am standing in our new cardio room. Can you just imagine? And now for your weekly construction update. Drywall has been installed in both the new Pilates studio and Jenny's fitness office. Drywall has also been installed in the men's massage room. Two of the 3 windows have been cut out of the back of the fitness center, revealing a mountain view. The outer walls of the fitness center have been demoed. Out front, concrete has been poured and cured, defining the scope of the fitness center renovation. And finally, the roof of the new bar has been raised. As always, we will continue to keep you posted on our progress. Please log into our website to view our live cameras.